How to hide phone number on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your devices. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Then scroll down the main list of settings until you find and tap on the phone settings. Scroll down to the bottom to find Show My Caller ID and tap on it. On this screen, you will see a toggle switch for Show My Caller ID. Tap the switch to disable it. This will prevent your number from being displayed when you make outgoing calls. Following these steps, you can easily hide your phone number on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.